Guys, this is a sad occasion. This is going to be our last vlog here in beautiful Puerto Rico. We've made our way down to Santurce and just ran into a nice little graffiti spot up here. So we're going to check it out. We're going to go to La Placita de Santurce. It is a kind of like a food hall, similar to the one that we went to in the Netherlands. There's going to be a bunch of different kiosks set up, a bunch of different foods available. So we should be able to get a nice taste of Puerto Rico here on our last night. And I mean, like I said, the graffiti here is just outrageous. It's gorgeous. Got a little basketball court here. Looks like they're cleaning off some beautiful graffiti. It is what it is. Nice. So we'll head up here, take a little look at the streets of Santurce, and make it from there. Uh-oh, guys. We're at La Placita and doesn't look like anything's open. Oh no. Walk down, just hopefully. Just beautiful work up on there. Definitely not what I thought it was going to be, but I mean, it is a Monday here in Puerto Rico, about 5 p.m. Everything seems to start a couple hours later than I'm used to. I think we can all picture how it would look, you know, when it's open and then things are popping. It's not the case here. We'll walk through this ghost town together. Puerto Rican food. Probably gonna eat there. One last taste of the country. And this was our destination, Plaza del Mercado. Closed at 5. Didn't think about checking the times. A few restaurants around, so we'll be able to find something to eat. Even if I gotta eat that big ass pear. Yeah, it's just dead. Just dead. I think we'll make it a chicharron kind of night and call it a vacation. Really cool little spot though. Oh, beautiful church there down here off of Santurce, and we've abandoned La Placita. Unfortunately, you know, that's the first time that we've tried to go somewhere and it hasn't been popping, so we'll take it at the end. So we're going to head on down into the main part of Santurce. You know, we saw it a little bit yesterday when we were going down to the tour of El Yunque rainforest, so get a little better vantage of it and see what's for dinner. Coming up on the movie theater now, the Metro. Seems like they're playing, ooh, $8.50. That is a good price. Shit, we're paying $16 in the mainland. Oppenheimer, Barbie. Ooh. It's a really nice front. Cool little spot. Nice. Little children's school over there. See that greenhouse? We made it back to the little section here, Condado. We're gonna have a little something to eat. Santurce. It's kind of a letdown, but we've come back to a nice little spot. Take one more look at this beach, and this is Sandy Beach. This is swimming not recommended, heavy currents. Nice. Check it out. Is every beach so beautiful? Not staying, just wanted to check out one more beach. So there it is, Sandy Beach here in Condado. Let's go. So we gave up on the 1950 restaurant. I just couldn't access the staircase to get up there. Maybe we'll try one last time, but look kind of like I won't gonna be able to get up. It's crazy. Let's go over here and see, but I don't think so. Alibaba would have been delicious. We have made our way into the 1950 restaurant. And we're gonna have a little authentic Puerto Rican food here on our last day. We're gonna have the arroz estilo campo, which is our Puerto Rican rice and beans with steak, shrimp, chicken, just the whole thing thrown in there. We're gonna try a new little beer, Puerto Rican beer. This one's a pale ale, and it's Magna. And I mean, the place just has nice old school, I mean, see why they call it 1950 restaurant. Really nice. So, we'll order, get our food, and finish our last little day here in Puerto Rico right. Thanks guys for joining, as always. Oh, it's just such a nice day out now. The weather is broken, the wind is going, so we went on ahead and moved out to the little deck out here. And I mean, you know, get a nice little inside ambiance where you can get the outside. And casino is right across the way. Wow. Like I mentioned, we're trying our second Puerto Rican beer here, the Magna. Cheers, y'all. That one's a pale ale and much better than the Medalla. Much better. So, finally, traditional Puerto Rican beans and rice. So I think I've knocked off everything I wanted to knock off here on this little trip. So, looking forward to getting this meal in, getting back, and getting home. Putting these vlogs together for you guys. So, dinner next. Oh, it has arrived, and I had let out an audible gasp of excitement. So we have the arroz estilo campo, and this is going to be the yellow rice and beans with skirt steak, chorizo, Puerto Rican sausage, and the fried tostones. And my goodness, y'all, looking forward to this one. Going to head in here for the first bite. 1950 restaurant right here on the strip in Condado. I'm telling you, that's what we've been waiting for here in Puerto Rico, that authentic beans and rice. You get your fried tostones too, you know, plantains. I love this sauce. Oh. I don't know what sauce it is. This one here, the creamy. Had it at the street food place yesterday and I'm in love. I have to look it up and find out. What a night for the last meal. Absolute perfection. So, finish my meal off here. We'll head out, find a little dessert, and call it an evening. Wonderfully delicious food here at 1950. When in Puerto Rico, I know I keep saying it because it's every damn place blows me away. Come on down, right here on the strip in Condado. So, little fancy dessert time. They got a place here called Señor Paleta. I had the one, maybe you saw the short where I feel like I got overcharged on it, so we're gonna go down here to the store and see exactly what they got to offer. Señor Paleta, here we come. This is where all the Americans are down here at Condado. Must be, you know, it's a safe spot, it's the hip, happening spot. I think if I ever come back, I'm gonna stay back again in Puerto de Tierra. Just love the vibe. Señor Paleta should be right down the way. And it's starting to get a little busier. Like I said, I'm not on island time yet. I swear, Google has let me down on this trip more times than I can count. So, walked down to where it said Señor Paleta was, and it was a bubble tea place. So, guys, I think that's going to be it. We had our nice last little vlog, dinner at 1950, and like I said, highly recommend 1950. So, I mean, not much more to do. I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb, pack up, get ready to go to the airport. Hope that an Uber will pick me up as late as it needs to pick me up, and try to get back to Richmond to, you know, do the work, put the vlogs in. So, guys, till the next time, and I mean, this one was amazing. Puerto Rico, I love you. Thanks for having me. Pleasure as always, and I'll be back. So, guys, take it easy and peace from Condado, Puerto Rico.